just like, man, I need something better than that. I'm over 50 now. I need to have something to have some purpose in my life. Got into the Access program, you know, and my life changed, you know, quicker than I thought it would. You know, God worked in mysterious ways and a miracle happened. You know, I didn't give up, but I had to learn patience and hang around positive people, you know, so you're always getting that positive feedback. I've been around so much negativity in my life, you got to make a decision, and I made my decision when I was incarcerated. Manufacturing has changed my life for the better, because I go to bed with a purpose and I wake up with a passion, for my job in manufacturing. Accountability to Elsons International, it changed my life.